Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about the proposed acquisition of Afterpay by Square. Now this is a $29 billion acquisition, and in the process, it's in process. And what I'm going to try and do today is to evaluate this particular acquisition, and also try and get you some sense on how this is going to be useful to users of both Square and Afterpay. So, as you know, Afterpay is an Australian company, and it's a lending company. It's an online lending company. So let's talk about it, and hopefully this particular video and the information shared in this video will be useful to you. So before we do that, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash the notification bell, and also comment on my videos so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research, from my insights, and from my videos. So let's dive in. So before we talk on Square and Afterpay, as you know, I have an ebook. This ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. The book is titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. In this particular book, I have spoken about the time back in 2010 when I quit my six-figure book-running corporate job. I've mentioned, what kind of preparation I took before I quit my job, what are the challenges I faced, and how I overcame those challenges. So this book will be really be useful for anybody who's looking to jumping into the world of entrepreneurship. And the cool thing is I've put down 3 worksheets. So these worksheets are essentially, preparation of the mind to gauge how well equipped you are mentally to becoming an entrepreneur. So you could score yourself and see where you stand. And the best part is that I have scored myself based on my mindset back in 2010. So you would get to see how much I scored and where I stood then, and also know, how successful I am today as an entrepreneur with 2 companies, one in Singapore, one in India, and representation to the US market. This ebook comes totally free to you. You would get this ebook on my website. The URL is flashing on the screen. I'll put down the URL in the description box below. Click on it, go to the page, and put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like this ebook. Please do give me your feedback, honest feedback on this ebook. Now let's talk about Square and Afterpay. So let's try and understand why is Square acquiring Afterpay. So the acquisition is an opportunity for both Square and Afterpay to scale a 2-sided multi-channel payments, commerce, and financial services ecosystem that also leverages Square's integrated POS platform and merchant services capabilities to keep and grow an expanded market base. So that's the basic bottom line. Because Square is a unique solution of you use the service and you pay later, that kind of a service. Now, Square's CEO, Jack Dorsey's ambition was to create a consumer/merchant network with Square that could leverage connected devices, digital payments, and to the cloud, and data to reinvent payments and commerce for consumers and the small merchants where they shopped. So essentially pretty much similar to PayPal and all other major payment services. Assuming the deal goes through, the $29 billion, and 12 years later, Square will have fulfilled its ambition of becoming that 2-sided network, both online and offline, and not just a small merchant. And it has the critical mass to grow rapidly. So that's where Jack Dorsey's vision is, and that's the reason why he's acquiring this company from Australia for a whopping $29 billion. Now let's try and understand what it means for users of Square and Afterpay. The acquisition provides both Afterpay and Square's Cash App users with an incentive to do more business within their newly formed ecosystem, given the added credit debit shopping capabilities each provides to the other. So so essentially they want you to put you in that group where you could use the two apps, the cash apps, to make more purchases, make more transactions, credit, debiting, or shopping, whatever that is. Obviously, that increases their bottom line. With Square's industrial bank charter, more banking and financial services capability will likely extend the functionality of this network over time for consumers and merchants and grow quickly as network effects kick in. So obviously they are looking to expand and offer the services to industrial banks and industrial customers as well. That will attract even more merchants to the platform, which will attract even more customers and so on. And as the virtuous circle spins, and obviously more money, more revenue for Square. It's a move that is giving each player across the payment ecosystem a pause, and one that seems to take particular aim is at PayPal. PayPal is the one which is being targeted, so it will be a big competition to PayPal. So that's what the direction is, and that's what the consumers got to enjoy. They will now have an alternative to PayPal, and if you're a merchant, PayPal charges a pretty high percentage transaction fee. So all those elements will be taken care of even more through this particular acquisition. So it's a win-win deal for Square, no matter how much they are spending. So the summary is it's a great deal for Square. It's a great acquisition. They may be spending $29 billion, but it's essentially the objective is to take a significant pie from the transactions deals of PayPal, as well as bring the customers together into a more close-knit kind of a group, so that the credit debit shopping happens within the group and Square gets to make most of the monies. And of course, they will be expanding their network of merchants, hence there'll be more avenues for the consumers to transact. So that's the end summary. I did a video on why Square is a great stock to purchase, and you see it's actually heading in the right direction. I'll put that video on the card above, the link to the video on the card above. Go take a look at it. It's a great video on why Square is a stock that you should purchase if you are an investor and you're looking for a cool stock to invest in and make quick money. So take a look at it. So, well, that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I'll put down my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Click on it and connect with me. I regularly work with clients to look for solutions to challenges that they face in business, marketing, technology, and investment. If you're looking to engaging me as your consultant in your company or startup, please write to me on LinkedIn, or you could write to me on the contact page of my website. I'll put the URL to the contact page of my website in the description box below. Then we can get into a conference call and see how we can work together. So finally, before signing out, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos and share my videos. I hope this was useful once again. So I'll take your leave and I shall see you again next time with my new video. Until then, take care, stay safe, and stay healthy. Bye-bye.